In this video, we're going to look at 3 free mint NFT games that you can go and start playing today for absolutely free and actually earn yourself some rewards as well. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing money. Let's get into today's video. So here we are over on Toland Worlds. All of these are linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check them out after the video. This is a classless combat game where you can go around the world and enter into different combat situations in order to earn various rewards. And you can come down below and see the tournament here with the prize pool sat at $500, and that will obviously increase over time as more and more people enter the game. And as we know, it's a 2D game, kind of like a classical style of a video game. And you can see all of the different characters and things that are available here. You can see that it's available on Rareable, Token Trove, and also on Immutable X. So here below we can see lots of the different gameplay going on, kind of similar to what you might have seen on something like Zelda Links in the past. And then you've got different features here, different like weaponry, different play styles, different creations, all sorts of different things that are going to improve the overall gameplay. Lots of news that are happening over on Toland World all the time, so make sure you subscribe to their Twitter page to see all of the updates as they happen. And if you want to win a free NFT, you just have to play and click on the play button here to get started with that. The next game then is a code name Renegades, free-to-play multiplayer tactical brawler game. Something slightly different from most of the other play-to-earn games that you have right now. You've got a few videos here talking about the different gameplay and things that you can experience within the game. This all takes place within this crazy and wonderful world, and you can see all of this futuristic looking creations down here basically will turn into a massive online multiplayer game where you basically have to fight in order to survive. Coming down below, you can see some of the different characters that will be playing in the game, and there will be much more coming later on. This is still very early stages, and you can come down below and find out more about the monetization of the game, the NFT assets, and there's a really detailed website here which is great to see. Here you can see some of the actual gameplay footage, which is kind of cool to see, and you can see that you basically have to kind of like go around and get involved in different combat situations, and this game will be getting launched very soon, so come and find out more in the link below. Jumping across to the third and final one today then, guys, Sparkadia. Now this refers to multiple different games that are all linked together in some way, and as you can see, it's a very early doors, so the cinematic trailer is yet to start up, and you can already go and play Sparkball, which is one of the games here. Now Sparkadia is a cozy cosmic constant in a sea of rapidly shifting multiverses. Within this constant lies a veritable paradise, space Cancun of optimism and happiness, so grab your favorite blanket and some hot chocolate and get comfortable. Lots of different stories and different exciting things going on here. You can see all of the different heroes down below, which obviously come in the form of an NFT, and then a little bit of a breakdown of each of these different people here. So we've got Inksy, the rebel graffiti queen, and then some information about her there, and then we got the lore introduction down here. It's always important when we see new games and things like that you have a really in-depth story behind it all, because it really gets people who are into gaming and things like that really kind of engrossed and interested into the whole project. Now your NFT itself can go and take part in different games, and once you start to win different games, you'll get different outfits, different skins, etc., which will be able to recognize you as a quality player across these different gaming platforms. And if you buy different skins and things like that, you only have to make that purchase once, as I've mentioned, because you can take those skins across into different games. Obviously, this is quite early on in terms of its stages of release, so you can click up here and get updates and keep in contact with them through various social media. Recommend following new platforms on Twitter, because that's where most of the updates happen all the time. So in summary, guys, if you want to get involved in free-to-play NFT play-to-earn games, then go through the links down below in the description to check out all of these projects I've talked about today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, play to earn gaming, and much more, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.